right, everybody, this is Mr. B. Real quick, let's refine the process for this project. Once you've imported the pepper into Adobe, first thing we're going to do is unlock the layer. So right now, it's called background. We don't want background. We want to change it. So we're going to unlock it. So click on the lock. It unlocks it. We're going to go up here. And what we want to do is simply rotate it. So we're going to go to the transform tool and simply flip horizontal. That way the text will be from left to right like it should be. I'm going to add the text block. Okay. What I'm going to do is drag it right in here. Now, first thing I got to do is erase everything. So I'd either delete or backspace. Now I can change the color of the font by using what's called the color picker. So you get the dropper tool. I'm going to go a little bit lighter. I don't want it completely the same color, but I want it a little bit lighter so it's easier to read, but at least I can see it, okay? And then I'm going to type in the word green or pepper, whichever one you want to use. It's up to you guys. I'll leave that to you guys to decide. Okay. So now I have the word green, okay? And I can make this a little bit bigger once I get it. What I want to do is arrange it. And then I'm going to make this the smart object, okay? So what I do is put the mouse right on top of the word green, and I right-click on the mouse. And I get my pop-up menu. I'm going to convert it to a smart object, right? And it says here, select object. I don't need to do that yet, but I'm going to do that here in a minute. What I want to do now that I've selected it as a smart object, I can now fix it. And I'm going to go ahead and rotate or move it and make it fit into the actual pepper. So I'm going to go to the transform. I'm going to edit, and I'm going to go to transform, and I'm going to go to the warp tool. Okay, and this allows me to stretch it out just like I want to do it. So I'm going to grab the corners first, and I can grab the inside and kind of push it out a little bit. I can do the same thing up here. Okay, and if this side gets too big, I can bring it down a little bit. Okay, and that's what I want to do. I can bring down the bottom part. Just keep opening it up. And when I get where I want it to be, I'm good. I click done. Now I'm going to go to my layer 0 here. And I'm going to turn this into the mask. But before I can do that, I have to be on my green layer, my text layer, and select the subject. Now, if your select subject, this little toolbar doesn't show up, you need to go up here to select and select subject. And that will do exactly what I just did. Okay? So now I have my smart object selected. I'm going to go to layer 0, and I'm going to put on a layer mask. You see it right here, right? I'm going to click on this tool, all right? That's all I need to do. Now, what I also need to do is add a layer. So over here on the right-hand side, what I want to do is see the plus sign right here? That means a new layer, okay? And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to create a new layer here. Here's the left view. There we go. I got my layer. Now you'll notice it should be below. And I'm going to click on my upper layer to make sure I'm active there. But here is what I want to do. I'm coming over here. I'm going to find my paint bucket tool. I'm going to click on that. I also want to make sure that my primary colors, or my color pickers down here, is white. All I'm going to do is paint my layer white. Now I'm going to go back up here to layer 0 and make sure that I'm on the mask. The black piece, as you see, is highlighted. And I'm going to go over here, use the tool for paintbrush. I'm going to click on my paintbrush. I'm going to make sure that my paintbrush size is approximately 25. What I should be able to do is go right around the edge of the letters, and it should give my tail. Now, if I want to connect all of them together, I can, just by staying at the top, okay, and at the bottom, and boom. There you are, 3 layers, all of about, what, 4 minutes, 5 minutes tops, and you're all set. Any other questions? Mr. Dean. Have a great day.